Making and receiving calls via your CloudTalk application could not be simpler. Here you're looking at the native desktop application. On the right hand side, simply dial the number using the computer keypad, use the mouse on the dialer, or alternatively select from your contacts. Once you've dialed the number, simply select the caller ID that you'd like to use, so let's use the 0203 number for this particular call, and then press dial. Simple as that. Receiving calls is really simple too. When the inbound call arrives, you'll simply be asked to answer the call. And there we go. We're in a live call and we can speak to our client.